kind of catch up then.
Floater suits on, those are mostly to keep you warm. They will keep you afloat if you fall in the water, but don't try to touch the water. This boat's too high, and I don't want to pick up anybody in the water. It's a lot of paperwork, not worth it. So otherwise, your jackets, they're right below Rocky in the back of the boat under the floor. They look like this. They're the keyhole type jackets, so you don't need the straps pop over your head. There's a chin strap to redo. That one goes around you and then back clipped into the jacket. Like all good self-respecting jackets, they got the whistle. You know what that's for. You've all seen the movie. And we also have a life raft up at the front. So we're fully equipped for everything. The life raft would be deployed under my command, and or it deploys itself if the boat goes the wrong way. But that's not going to happen anyways. Otherwise, when we're underway, when we're underway, I ask that you stay seated down. But when we're stopped and watching whales or looking for whales or wildlife, you can stand up and walk around, but stay on the deck. Don't climb on the surfaces. Don't climb on the life raft, the seats, or the tubes. The boat can move in unpredictable ways, so I don't want anybody to fall. But otherwise, you can walk around, no problem. If we're underway and you see something interesting, you can point at it. If you want me to stop, you can look back and wave at me or stand up and I'll stop the boat. We do have a wash rule on board. It's in that little cubby hole below. But let me know if you're going to use it. For one thing, you don't want to be in there when I start accelerating and I don't know you're in there. So, that's just not a good thing. So for the rest, well, we're ready to go. And we'll see what we can find there.
When we get back. Oh, now we are going the Bay of Candy.
Yeah?
So we are expecting anywhere the whale is here. Anywhere this area.
Rocky said it's 75 feet.
Of course. No, you can get the rocket.
Sarap. Took a video short in the sea.
Still in the rocks. Very still. one of the island over there.
Which one?
Yeah, over there.
Moonbeam kisses cheek. Fly, just pure joy and endless. Island rhythm in my stride. Splash of ocean keeps me high. In this paradise I thrive. Stars align in the twilight.